In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a Gcash account on hold. Let's get started. First, open your Gcash app. Make sure your internet connection is stable. A good connection helps prevent any interruptions. Once the app is open, locate and tap on the profile icon. It usually appears at the bottom right corner of your screen. This section is where you can manage your account settings and preferences. From there, tap on the Help option. This is an important step because it's your gateway to resolving any issues you might be experiencing with your Gcash account. The Help section is designed to assist you with various problems, so it's crucial to know how to navigate it. Next up, tap on Login Tips and Issues. This section specifically addresses common login problems, which might be related to why your account is on hold. By selecting this, you're on the right path to finding a solution. Now tap Chat with Gigi. Gigi is Gcash's virtual assistant, designed to help you resolve issues efficiently. Engaging with Gigi can save you a lot of time as it provides immediate responses and guidance. Type in the phrase "account on hold." This is necessary to direct Gigi to the specific problem you're facing. By doing this, you ensure the assistant addresses the correct issue right away. As Gigi responds, follow the prompts that appear. These prompts will guide you through the process of resolving your account hold issue. It's important to read each prompt carefully and respond accurately to avoid any delays. After that, you will need to submit the requested information. This might include personal details or account specifics. Providing accurate information is crucial here, as it helps verify your identity and the issue at hand. Submit required documents and then wait for verification. Gcash needs to verify your documents to ensure your account is secure and compliant. This step is crucial because it helps protect both your account and the Gcash community from fraudulent activities. Verification might take some time, so be patient. You will receive a notification once the process is complete. Rest assured, this ensures that your account can be safely reinstated. Remember, while waiting, make sure to check your email or Gcash notifications regularly for any updates. It's important to stay informed throughout this process. Finally, once your account is verified, you should be able to use it without any issues. If you encounter further problems, revisit the Help section or contact Gcash support directly for more assistance. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to fix a Gcash account on hold. By following these steps carefully, you ensure a smoother resolution process. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep your account information secure and updated.